inspiration is coming from the book of Romans chapter 13 verse 11. The Bible says, and do this knowing the time that now it is high time to awake out of sleep, for now our salvation is nearer than when we first believed. Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're not on my channel, you're so welcome, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're not on my channel, you can click on that subscribe button and subscribe now to my 368 subscribers. Thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your messages, and for all those beautiful comments. I love interacting. Keep them coming. Yes, so on this channel I do share crash and lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, how to have flawless skin without using any toxic ingredients, and how to have good health. Healthy is by choice, not by chance, and I'm so passionate about growing our crowns which our God gave us. So we need to embrace it, love it, and style it. Yes, so of course I'm in a challenge over 6 months. Actually, we are in the 4th month. Next month we'll click 5th. Yes, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, but this is our 4th month. So like I'm in a twist protective hairstyle. Like I want to grow my hair. Like whenever I put on my twist, I keep them in for 1 month without undoing them. Yes, and actually I had promised, the moment we started this challenge, that I'll be sharing, treatments on how you can actually grow your natural hair in twist. Yes, without any added hair. Yes, so in today's video, I'm super excited because I'm going to show you how to make, rooibos clove or hairspray for massive hair growth, for thinning hair, for gray hair, like premature graying, and how to, do away with dandruff or seborrheic dermatitis, and how to grow back, your beautiful crown. Yes, so make sure that you watch this video until to the end, and make sure that you click on the notification bell so that every time we upload, you will be notified. So these are the two products that we're going to use. We are going to use rooibos and clove. So you can actually purchase rooibos in supermarkets, but of course it may not come with the same brand of fresh pack, but it can come in different brands. Provided it's rooibos, it can work. So we are going to use some clove. Actually, I did pound some clove so that it is in a powder form. So now we've removed one sachet or tea bag of rooibos. So if you want it to be so strong, you can use 2 or more than 1, but we are just going to use 1. So these are the 2 products that we are going to use. So rooibos is actually rich in alpha hydroxy and zinc, both important nutrients for healthy hair. Alpha hydroxy not only reduces the signs of aging, that is for skincare. Of course it works as well. I've done quite a number of videos on that. I'll link them in the description box below. So zinc helps protect your hair against UV rays or damage, and has anti-inflammatory properties which could alleviate dryness to your hair. So rooibos prevent hair loss, as its active ingredients help remove dead skin cells that block hair follicles and prevent hair from growing. So rooibos contains minerals such as zinc, calcium, copper, potassium, which are essential for hair growth. Polyphenols and oxidants contained in rooibos promote shining and soft hair. It helps reduce, IB symptoms. So the aspodic agents found in rooibos help easy, itchy scalp. So friends, like I've also done many videos on clove. I'll link them in the description box below. So clove has been an important part of Ayurveda and traditional medicine. So it will protect the scalp from dandruff, which is actually a major cause of weak and thin hair. Clove also contains anti-inflammatory agents which further help in hair thickening. It helps to reduce hair fall too. With the presence of vitamin K in cloves, it leads to better blood circulation, which stimulates hair to grow. It treats dandruff, flakes, and relieves the itching associated with it due to its anti-inflammatory properties. So it also prevents the graying of hair due to its antioxidants. So the compound found in clove help to promote hair growth. When applied to the roots, it can also repair, strengthen, and add a healthy shine to hair shaft when applied regularly. So clove has powerful antiseptic and antifungal properties. They can help set your hair to grow very well. So you have to make sure that you strain your clove and rooibos, because clove may have some kind of residue, so like I had to strain 2 times using strainer, as well as the strainer which doesn't have hose, of course. So that is how it looks like. The color looks so beautiful, friends. Like whatever God made, it's so beautiful. So now we've gotten our spray bottle, and then we are going to package our clove and rooibos in our spray bottle. So a spray bottle comes very handy. It will help you like to moisturize your hair without manipulating it. Yeah, so like I prefer hairsprays when I'm in a protective hairstyle, because they really help to spread the product throughout your hair strands and your scalp. So that is how it looks like, friends. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, you can click on that subscribe button and subscribe today. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. Comment in the section below if you have tried out clove and rooibos tea for a hair growth, or probably you are going to try out this hairspray. Comment in the section below. Yes, I love interacting very much, and I love, reading comments. So now, of course, I've been in a protective hairstyle for 2 weeks, over doing twists. Like I keep in the twist for 1 month. So we are in this, we've had this twist for 2 weeks now. So like when you are in a protective hairstyle, if you want to grow out your hair or your medium natural hair, you have to make sure that you're taking care of it in between washes. Make sure that you moisturize your hair to prevent breakage or any damage. Yes, so like I've done quite a number of hair sprays. I'll link them in the description box below so that you can check them out. Yes, so like I don't manipulate my hair. Once I put in a protective hairstyle, I let it sit for 1 month, then I continue with my routine. So make sure that you spray it on your edges. Don't forget, like our edges are very fragile. They are the most fragile hair on our head. So make sure that you are protecting it. So actually, I've done videos on how you can grow back your edges. That is the reason why like I don't do high maintenance hairstyles which do not wreak havoc on our edges, because you know what? I don't want my edges like to come out. So I do low manipulation hairstyle. So we are going to see in the moisture with our stimulating herbal hair growth oil. So this oil has aloe vera, it has clove, it has coconut oil, it has rosemary, it has fenugreek, a lot of oils in it. I will link the video in the description box below so that we can check it out. Yes, so like this will prevent actually any dryness from our hair. So like our hair will go almost a week of being soft without re-moisturizing. Yes, so like I'm super excited, because you know what, I want to grow my hair, and I'm telling you, friends, like I'm seeing much improvement. So like the moment your hair touches water, it will shrink. So as you can see, like our twists are shrunken, but I don't have a problem with that. Yes, because our hair is so hydrated and moisturized. Yes, so are you going to try out this mist? Are you going to try out clove and rooibos tea? So thank you so much for watching, and best to see you in our next video.